Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for Xenea wallet, so here to you I'm going to answer together with you. So as we know that like everything we used to provide a daily quiz, so here to you we are going to answer together with you. So let's click and claim our daily point. So congratulations, we have get the 113 point. So let's go for a quiz. So start. So today's quiz is how is token bound executed? So like this is the question. So like how is the token are going to be like running when the like they've decided to run the token? So the answer is basically, as you can see, like it is number one, which is A, to send the token to an address with an unknown private key. So I'll continue. So congratulations, we have clicked on the correct answer. And again, don't forget to convert this to section mission for support, because we have a daily check-in. So congratulations, we have successfully collected 88 points. So here it is. If this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.